Hi, good afternoon. Thanks a lot to the Tele team for making our small organization uh, really ease of control to help our financial transaction going to happen. We bought this Tele software around 2 years back uh, from one of the authorized service provider who came here and did the complete installation. It was a silver module, Tele Silver. Uh, the services from that vendor were limited up to an installation part. He sold me a CD and took the money. When we asked him to do the implementation, he showed his reluctance that the implementation is a very long process, and we can help maybe through a team viewer to help us sort out our problems. Because of this, the whole idea of procuring the software was withheld, and we were not able to use Tele. The entire 1 year of the license time it went off without us doing any data inputting. Since new master creations, there had been no parameters which were right after the expiry period. The same gentleman approached us for getting the license renewed, which we were not comfortable, and we were also not ready, and we wanted him to do some sort of basic implementation of the software, and because of his recklessness we postponed the license renewal. Thanks to the Tele Connect, Tele Touch, the team approached us from one of my business associate, a very good friend of mine, Sanjeev Kochak of Surya Air Conditioning and Refrigeration, who recommended one gentleman by just passing my number to the for the Tele Touch program. Now that one number completely changed our life, and thanks to Abhishek Singh, who approached us during this touch program to touch our life, and we did implement our financial software. We also upgraded ourselves. Not only that, we paid the subscription money, the license money, but also upgraded ourselves to Tele Gold. There is a system. The Tele in itself is a great job because MSME, medium and small enterprises who cannot afford bigger version like SAP, Oracle, they can vastly benefit with the Tele Tele know-how. Tele in itself, they've been doing a lot of R&Ds all the time. We are very thankful for all those endeavors of Tele team. I remember during the implementation of VAT in 2005, I had been to those so many seminars, workshops to understand what will VAT do. Probably that time we were using a financial software called Sigfa, and those guys had given us some upgradation knowledge of VAT and the new infrastructure, new system of VAT. So we did not went in for Tele because we were always told that Tele is a company which will give you only online support, which will give you only support through maybe team viewers. But thanks to this touch program, in which there was a personalized touch, and the person who came spent long times, few hours, 4 hours in our office to make us explain the benefits of powerful yet simplified software. We are very thankful, and we look for a very, very long association. My expectations are really very high, and the new upgradations and whatever new releases are there, they are all very unique way, and and I'm sure that in future also Tele will be supporting us in the same manner. I also want to add on that we we're looking for small CRM wherein we are an air conditioning company. We're handling projects. We're handling various aspects of business in stores. So we really want that we should be supported in the same zeal as we have received the support till now. Thanks a lot.